How to create a folder with VBA using 3 different methods. 1. Using VBA methods. Create a procedure called the method VBA mkdir. Pass one string parameter with the full name of the folder you want to create. 2. With the Windows File System object. Create a variable of the type File System object. Instantiate the object using the set and new keywords. Use the variable to call the method createFolder. Pass one string parameter with the full path to the folder you want to create. 3. With the Windows Shell object. Create a variable of the type shell. Instantiate the object using the set and new keywords. Use the variable to call the method namespace. Pass one string parameter with the path to the folder, but not the name, and another string parameter with the name of the folder. See you in the next video, bye!